Verbongo is recognized.
Mr. President, bilang isang Mindanaoan at isang Batanggenyo, it is my great honor to co-sponsor Senate resolution honoring and commending the awardees of the Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. Taon-taon ating ibinibigyang pugay ang mga natatanging individual tulad ng mga guro, sundalo at pulis na nagsisilbing huwaran ng kagalingan, katapatan at malasakit sa bayan. Sa kanilang walang sawang paglilingkod, ipinapakita nila ang tunay na sukatan ng tagumpay, hindi lamang ang sariling kapakinabangan, kundi ang kabutihang na ibabahagi nila sa kapwa at sa sambayanan. To our awardees, this honor is a fitting recognition of your professionalism, competence, and integrity, an expression of our gratitude for your service to the country beyond excellence. Mr. President, the 4 outstanding teachers we are honoring today have contributed to the improvement of the quality of education in our country. They have played a significant role in molding the minds of our youth and shaping the future of our country. I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Noel V. Sadinas, Nueva Vizcaya's champion for global citizenship education, Mr. Amando Perfecto C. Molin, Los Baños Mentor for Future Leaders, Miss Maylin M. Uy, Lanao del Norte's Trailblazing Chemist for Nation Building, sa Iligan po ito, Bisaya. Mr. Angelo Mark P. Walag, Cagayan de Oros, Pioneer for Experiential Learning. To the outstanding teachers, thank you for taking on the critical role of guiding, molding, and inspiring our nation's future leaders. May you continue to impart knowledge among our youth and continue to be pillars of education. Mr. President, I am also glad to recognize the outstanding soldiers and outstanding police for their contributions in maintaining peace and security in our country. First is Underwater Operations Man First Class Anro Anthony M. Toralio, Philippine Navy, Philippines Navy Specialist Defender Against Violent Extremism. Colonel Ricky L. Canatoy, Philippine Army, Misamis Orientals, Vanguard of Peace and Development. Colonel Joey T. Fontiveros, Philippine Army, AFP Cyber Ranger in Defense and Security. Police Master Sergeant Ivan A. Velasco, PNP's Crusader for Environmental Protection. Police Major Ermira A. Relox, Tawi-Tawi's Torchbearer of Healing and Compassion. Taga Davao po ito. Police Colonel Frederick E. Obar, Ilocos Norte's Police Innovator of Transformative Reforms. To our outstanding soldiers and police officers, thank you for protecting the life and safety of our people even at the risk of your own. Ang pagkilalang ito ay hindi lamang parangal, kundi isang paalala na may mga Pilipinong handang magsakripisyo at magsilbing ilaw at inspirasyon sa gitna ng mga hamon ng ating panahon. Isa lang po ang paalala ko sa inyo, unahin po natin ang interes ng bayan, unahin po natin ang interes ng bawat Pilipino. Once again, I congratulate and thank the 10 Metrobank Foundation outstanding Filipinos for their excellence and dedication to their respective fields of service. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very